The dumbbell waiter curl is a bicep exercise that has been popularized for enhancing the bicep peak. The issue is it's challenging to progressively overload with heavier weights, as holding the dumbbell in this position can feel awkward and limits the amount of weight you can comfortably control. This can make it harder to build strength over time compared to the traditional standing supinated dumbbell bicep curl. However, if you want to give it a try, here's how to do it correctly. Stand up straight with your feet about shoulder width apart. Hold a single dumbbell vertically in front of you with both hands by placing your palms underneath the top dumbbell plate, fingers spread wide, thumbs pressed into the sides for stability, with your palms facing up as if you were holding a tray. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Position the dumbbell at hip height with your elbows close to your sides and palms facing up. Slowly curl the dumbbell upward by bending your elbows while keeping your elbows close to your torso as you lift, avoiding any swinging or jerking motion. Once the dumbbell reaches your chest level, ensure your palms are facing up, then hold for a brief pause to squeeze your biceps hard at the top of the movement to maximize the peak contraction. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back down to the starting position, resisting the gravity as you lower to keep tension on your biceps. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.